Hérna hefst frásögn af fjarlægu landi, af afskiptu svæði með eldi og ís, gróðursnautt, hrjóstrugt, dularfullt. En þó var þjóðin hugrökk, þrautseig og einstök. Hún sótti þrótt sín í jörðina þar sem hún stóð, fegurðin barst henni frá stjörnum og því meiri kröfur sem ættjörðin gerði, þeim mun einstakari var þjóðin.
From award-winning film to comedy and documentary, BBC 4 celebrates the wonders of Iceland, continuing with the Viking sagas, tomorrow at 9 on BBC 4.
Casper! On your feet! You were asleep! Were you, Casper?
I don't know, sir.
I know! You were! You were asleep! Why were you asleep, you irreverent scoundrel?
I don't know, sir.
They always seem to pick on you, don't they, Casper? Why is it?
Don't know, sir.
Is it because you're a bad one?
Maybe I am sometimes, but I'm not that bad, sir.
This is Billy Casper. Billy Casper cheats, steals, lies, fights. Because he has to. You see, if you're not like the others, if you simply don't belong, then you have to manage alone. Alone. Unless you have a friend, like Kess.
Come on, Kess. Come on, then.
A very special friend, who doesn't mind that you're different.
That prefect's looking all over the school for you.
Well, I went out then, sir, for a breath of fresh air.
And where are you going now?
Employment officer.
Field interview? Well, get off then, lad. And God help your future employer.
What makes Billy Casper the way he is? What's wrong with the boy? Perhaps it's a secret shared only with Kess.
Casper! Casper! Yeah.
Always somebody, isn't there, eh? Somebody who wants to be awkward. Just like you, Casper.
Casper, you make me sick. Every lesson it's the same old story. You've begged and borrowed and skived and scrounged.
You might think it's funny. You might think he gets what's coming to him. You might be wrong.